Good morning, everyone. We are here at the Liquid Galaxy LAB. We are continuing the Google Summer of Code 2016 presentation. We have now Alexis Duque. Remember, Alexis, where are you living?
I live in Lyon, in France.
Lyon, in France. Okay. He is going to explain us the project he has developed around the physical web technology. Listen to you, Alexis.
So, hi everyone. I will sum up my project. So, the primary goal is to demonstrate how can we solve physical web and how it can improve our life, making a physical web enabled smart coffee machine. So, the coffee machine can get your coffee preference and brew for you a coffee as soon as you are near the coffee machine without you have to do anything, thanks to your physical web beacon. So that means that when you are at home, when you come back, or at work, or in a bar, in a public place where there are coffee machines, you can have a coffee without doing anything. So to do that, I built a progressive web app that lets you, by signing with your Google account, select your coffee preference, what kind of coffee you like cappuccino, espresso, if you want milk, if you want sugar, and then after configuring, you can configure your beacon with your smartphone with the application, and then as soon as you are in a place where there is a coffee machine like that, like mine, you can have you can have the coffee with the preference you like. So as proof of concept, I modified the coffee machine, a standard coffee machine, with an Intel Edison board that has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth energy. So it scans for the beacon near, and as soon as it detects a beacon, your beacon, it grabs the URL that there is in the beacon, so it can get your preference, it retrieve your preference, and then it brew for you a coffee. So right now I will do a demonstration. So imagine this is your beacon, so I will power it. So imagine you are near you enter at home, or you come in a place where there is a coffee machine. So it starts. I will power it. I might mistake. So let's try again. I will pour the beacon out. So right now the beacon is detected, and the coffee it starts brewing. Yes, I can see. So white, the coffee will be red. It starts brewing. So you will see the coffee that's brewing. So while the coffee is brewing, I will show you the web application. So right now I will share my screen.
Mentors, Paco, Alexandra, and Ivan, if you want to make any question, please, at any moment, stop. Alexis.
So here you can see the web application. So you can change your coffee. So I asked for an American coffee. You can choose what you want. And here you can see how many, if there are coffee pending. So a coffee is pending, it's an American coffee. And as soon as the coffee will be ready, I will also have a push notification. So here you can see that there are coffee. And right now, as you can choose which coffee you want, espresso, sugar mix. But my coffee machine doesn't do that. So to demonstrate the other functionality, I built a web app simulator that can simulate a coffee machine. So if you don't have a coffee machine, you can see what will happen in reality. So to do that, I will use another beacon, and I will use my application on my smartphone to configure it, and to brew an espresso, and we will see on the simulator what happens. So right now my coffee is ready. I will share my smartphone. Wait. So this is the application on the smartphone. I will power the beacon and go to configure it. So here you can click and you configure physical web version 2, beacon version 2. I click here. And right now the beacon will be configured. So a new coffee, now my beacon is configured, so there is no coffee here for me. So I will share another screen. Now I will show the simulator. Wait a moment. I change. So here is the web simulator. So you can see that the coffee, an espresso is brewing. I ask an espresso here. There is milk, sugar. That's what I ask in my smartphone. So right now my coffee is ready, and soon I will receive a push notification, I think. So right now there is no coffee here, you can see. And I can drink coffee. So I think that's it for me.
So, okay. Yes?
Well, do you have questions? So I will show you the service I've done. So there is a small case here, and here is, as you can see, this is the Intel Edison board and the circuit that can control the coffee machine.
I would like Paco, Alexandra, or Ivan make any question to Alexis for explaining something he has left behind.
I want to say that it's a great project. It's an interesting way to using physical web with Edison board. I am congrats to Alexis to the project. It's fantastic.
Alexandra?
No, I don't have any question because I have been one of the mentors of Alexis, and it was a great project. He is a very hardworking boy, and the project was very awesome. I think the idea and everything was very fine.
And we love your Chrome shirt. We love your shirt, your Chrome shirt.
Thank you.
Ivan, anything?
I congrats to Alexis by the project because it's awesome. It is very useful.
Okay, Paco, anything else you want, or maybe the other students from Lleida would like to make any question to this Alexis colleague? No? The question is, is this project seems to be interesting for any of you? I mean, maybe you want to have an Edison board and try to install it on your own coffee machine? No? You have to say yes, because Alexis has done the project also. No one hardware kiwi here. No, I will do that I'm at home. I will do. Alexis, I'll do that at my home for me. Sure. As I told you, at Paco, we will develop this with your code. We will do that for our coffee machine, not only for our house, but also for the Liquid Galaxy Lab. Next year we will have the application. Okay, thank you very much to everyone. Bye-bye.